Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bertemu lagi bersama Wandi Sikri di sini. Kali ini Wandi sedang di kebun teh, Dayuh Manggung. Lagi mau ke Cikuray, guys. Ini Wandi sudah sampai di
with a baby on the way on the east side of the city. She was working every day, cleaning dishes in the evening. She could barely stay awake. She was clinging to the feeling that her luck was gonna change. And across town, she would take the bus at night to a one-bedroom apartment. And when she turned on the lights, she would sit down at the table, tell herself that it's alright. She was crashing, hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out. I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around. I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Semua berkumpul jadi satu. Awan kita sudah menggantung pada sayap matahari. Selebihnya hanya ada mimpi-mimpi yang teracuhkan. Keberadaan kita lebih nyata dari para pengendara siang. Kita menikmati pemandangan hidup dari pelataran surga. Melihat insan yang tak pernah lelah bercinta melawan arah kiblat. Berusaha keras menyantap titik-titik bahagia.
tip bagaimana kesan-kesan Anda?
Sama saya, jika ada yang ingin menjual pundak Anda, beritahu saya akan beli dan mengganti
Pundak saya, cenah. Capek tuh. Tuh, cenah. Oke guys, tadi nu panggilanna aku. Bukan lah itu pemandangan. Terus di bagaimana kesan-kesan Anda?
kalau di data heula kurang. Guys, rek di data heula.
Dani, bagaimana kesan-kesan Anda?
Hah?
Kesan-kesannya? Ini sok artis yo. Sarwana anjir di kabogohna sok artis teh ieu. Jalan pajar.
Kemungkinan besar kita nyampe ke puncak sekitar
Jam berapa?
6 atau 8 jam lagi.
Wow. Sangat jauh ya berarti.
Bisa jadi sih
Kok bisa jadi kayak Indonesia Pintar?
yang kita harapkan. Tahu hujan.
Ini pacarnya Pajar bagaimana? Oh, no comment. Oke. Tenang. Yang biasa lempangnya jangan digusur-gusur gitu.